Hello everyone, I'm Michaela, and in this video I'm going to show you one of my favorite Salesforce features that often gets overlooked, and it's dynamic forms. If you are tired of cluttered page layouts or endless scrolling, this is for you. Dynamic forms let us break free from the classic page layout. Instead of one big static form, we can configure individual fields and sections directly in the Lightning app builder. That means more flexibility and much better user experience. The magic of this is that we can add visibility rules to the sections or to the fields. For example, we can display a section only if the record meets a certain criteria or only for a particular user profile. No more creating multiple layouts just to hide or show a few fields. Right now we are on an opportunity record page, and using the visibility rules, we will set the legal review section to appear only if the opportunity stage is negotiation review. The first thing we need to do is to click the section and click Upgrade Now in the record details. Then this prompt appears, so just click Next, and here you can select the base layout for the record page that we are going to create right now. The fields that I want to have displayed are on the opportunity layouts, so I will select that. But you can always add or remove some fields later on. I will show you how in the next video. And then click Finish. And this separated the section into the specific fields. So now we can click select every single field of the details section and select the visibility rules for them. So you can see that on the right there are some filters, and we can also add conditional formatting. So I have mentioned that we will make this legal review section visible. So you can see that I can either select the whole section or single fields on that section. But since I want to make all those fields visible at once, I will select the section and I will add filter. And you can see that we can either filter on the record fields, so that would be the fields that are already present on the record. Even if they are hidden, they can be selected here. And then you have these operators, so equal, greater, or less than. And another way of filtering is by device. So you can make a field visible depending on whether the user is using a desktop or a phone. And then we have also this advanced section, and it lets you select more fields, for example, record types or users, permissions. But we will just go for the record, and I will select the opportunity stage. Then click Done. And the stage, you can see that it's a pick list, so I can see all the options here. And I want it to be visible when the stage is negotiation review. Then confirm by clicking Done and save the changes and activate the record page. I will also assign it as the default record page for the opportunity object on all the devices. And now I will go back to my record, and in the details sections, when I scroll down, there is no legal review section because the conditions are not met. This stage is closed one, so that's why the section is not visible. But if I change it to negotiation review and save, I will immediately see that the legal review section appeared. So now for sales reps, this section stays hidden until it's relevant, keeping the screen clean and simple. Remember that it's always a good idea to group related fields into sections so that it's easier to manage, and also use visibility rules sparingly too many conditions can make maintenance harder. To sum up, dynamic forms reduce clutter, improve user adoption, and give you more control over the user experience. If you haven't tried them yet, start small with one object and see the difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce tips. Thank you.